Maintaining braces is vital for ensuring they work correctly and give you optimal outcomes. In addition to maintaining a healthy oral environment and abstaining from certain food items, there are a variety of ways you can ensure that your braces are maintained and to maintain them in great condition. 1. Cleaning and flossing. The most crucial aspects to care for braces is to maintain excellent dental hygiene. Cleanse your teeth following each meal and floss your teeth at least twice every day. Make sure you use the soft bristle toothbrush as well as a fluoride toothpaste that cleans your braces and your teeth completely. 2. Make use of a water flosser alongside traditional flossing. You can use the water flosser to get rid of plaque and food particles off the braces. The flossers can be particularly helpful to reach areas that are difficult to access and help to prevent dental decay and gum disease. 3. Beware of certain food items. When braces are in place, you must avoid certain food items that could cause damage or even become stuck between the wires. Avoid food items that are sticky or hard, such as caramel, gum, hard candy, and nuts. Cut vegetables and fruits in small pieces to avoid the damage to your brackets as well as wires. 4. Regularly checkups are essential. To visit your dentist regularly to checkups and adjustments to the braces. The appointments enable your dentist to keep track of your progress and implement any changes necessary to make sure the braces work properly. 5. Use a mouthguard. If you engage in any athletics or other physical exercises, you should consider using a mouthguard in order to safeguard your braces from injury and protect yourself to the mouth. The dentist can suggest an appropriate mouthguard to be worn with braces. 6. Apply the wax to help you feel comfortable. If you're the first person to have braces fitted, you will likely experience some discomfort while your mouth adapts to the new appliance. If you've got braces or wires which are causing you discomfort, use orthodontic wax to protect the wires and stop irritation. 7. Keep hydrated. By drinking lots of fluids throughout the day will help maintain your oral hygiene and help prevent the buildup of plaque around the braces. Avoid sugary and acidic drinks that could harm your braces and teeth. 8. Take your time. It's crucial to keep in mind that braces are an ongoing process and requires time. Take your time and adhere to your dentist's suggestions regarding care and maintenance. Your final result is worth the time and commitment you place into taking care of your braces. Maintaining the braces is vital in order to make sure they work correctly and give you optimal outcomes. If you follow these suggestions and recommendations, you will be able to ensure that your braces are maintained and kept them in great condition. Be sure to maintain good dental hygiene, stay away from certain food items, go to regularly scheduled checkups, and be mindful throughout the entire procedure. Your smile will be grateful for all the work you've put in caring for the braces.